everyone, I'm Ethel, a dietitian. For children 3 and up, the easy way is to follow the quarter-quarter half plate. Keep these proportions in mind at every meal so your child can get the nutrients they need. For sizing, use an 8-inch plate for children aged 3 to 6 and a 10-inch plate for children aged 7 and above. It's better to let your child eat at their own pace. It takes about 20 minutes for our brains to know we're full. If your child eats too quickly or is distracted, they may not know when they are full and might eat too much. This could lead to them becoming overweight and increase the risk of related health issues like heart disease and diabetes. To prevent this, try responsive feeding. Know when your child is hungry or full and act accordingly. First, let your child have positive experiences with new food so they would be more open to trying them. Second, you can also offer your child options, such as which would you like, spinach or broccoli? Third, be patient. It might take more than 15 tries for your child to want to try something new. Remember, you are your child's role model. Make sure you eat a variety of healthy food at every meal and your child will likely follow. For more parenting tips, check out Parent Hub. You've got this!